Pumpkin spice is around the corner because my fall FabFitFun box is here. I open these so that you get a little dopamine in your day. Why am I doing unboxings? I wrote a book on diet and nutrition because I'm trying to show you that you can get dopamine from things other than food and drink. So I hope you get a little dopamine from what's inside here. FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box. You get a spring, summer, and fall winter box. Oh, look at the inside. This is what I got. These are so cute. Hello Kitty nail files, Dr. Jart tiger grass color correcting serum, KERASILK polished protect hair treatment, sponge gel, body exfoliating scrubbers with the soap, magic molecule. This is supposed to be great for your skin. I've been wanting to try this for a while. I'm glad FabFitFun has it. What is this? Oh, the X Mondo super gloss. We're gonna have a good hair week. Amika deep conditioning treatment, the girly staple. It's called Soul Food. Dr. Jart Vital Hydro Solution Hydrating Lip Mask. Ceremonia Guava leave-in conditioner. I want to smell this right now. Okay, it's not that strong. It's mellow. It's mild. I'll put this in right now. Okay, I like that. Did it do anything? Be more on this side. Cute packaging. Really pretty. Sorry, plant. I'm going to try to pile this all on me. Okay, Magnesium Ease. Magnesium spray. Calm me the fuck down. I also got a pair of bow earrings. Fine Comfort body and hair fragrance mist. This is a really good box. Brad Mondo. You want more airtime? Brad Mondo, I love you. Hair and fragrance body. Oh, that's very refreshing. Does my hair look better than it did when the video started? It smells good. Lime, lemon lime, subtle, but not like obnoxious. Okay. I guess that's what subtle means. This is the Blink Lash Extension Tubing Mascara. What's this? Thrive. The Thrive Brow Gel. Laminating, lifting eyebrow gel. It's supposed to be nourishing also. It's going to be a long video. ORIBE Scalp Serum Oil Control Treatment Mist. Dry shampoo. See what it looks like. Ooh, it's pretty, obviously. ORIBE, everything is pretty. What's it smell like? Subtle, sweet. My hair smells great now. This, oh, wait, before we get to that, I got a necklace. It's really cute. It's a little clover. Electric Pix clover necklace. It's chocolate macadamia hydrating mask. That smells amazing. Very chocolatey. Volition. Okay, and then I got this pie dish. She's beautiful. I cannot wait to make a pie. And that's everything in my FabFitFun. If you would like a free box, give me a link. Follow, subscribe, like, follow, subscribe. Love comments. Thank you, FabFitFun. I bet you this was worth hundreds and hundreds of dollars. I'll add it all up. I'm putting this necklace on now. I love her.